This brand is made in South Korea and is sold online through their Amazon store. The air purifiers are Wi-Fi enabled for control through their app or with voice commands from Alexa or Google. They have an onboard air quality monitor with a 4-color LED light that indicates the current room air quality, and they have a smart auto mode where the unit operates automatically based on the room's air quality. They have a quiet 18-speed fan and 3 stages of cleaning with 360-degree airflow for better circulation throughout the room. The RMAP-SST model has a 430 square feet coverage area with a 281 CFM delivery rate, while the RMAP-SXL model has a 560 square feet coverage area and a 385 CFM delivery rate. The brand is backed by a pretty good guarantee from a leader in the HVAC industry. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVacRepairGuy YouTube channel.